Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Camping in the woods. Listen and repeat. She goes camping. She camps in the woods. She camps with her family. They set up a tent. It is a big tent. It sleeps 3 people. She sleeps with her mom and dad in the tent. They sit around a campfire at night. The campfire keeps them warm. They cook food in the campfire. Listen and answer. Does she go camping?
Yes, she goes camping.
Who goes camping?
Daisy goes camping.
Where does she go?
She goes camping.
Does she camp in the woods?
Yes, she camps in the woods.
Who camps in the woods?
Daisy camps in the woods.
Where does she camp?
She camps in the woods.
Does she camp with her family?
Yes, she camps with her family.
Who camps with her family?
Daisy camps with her family.
Whom does she camp with?
She camps with her family.
Do they set up a tent?
Yes, they set up a tent.
Who sets up a tent?
Daisy and her family set up a tent.
What do they set up?
They set up a tent.
Is it a big tent?
Yes, it is a big tent.
What is it?
It is a big tent.
Does it sleep 3 people?
Yes, it sleeps 3 people.
What sleeps 3 people?
The tent sleeps 3 people.
How many people does it sleep?
It sleeps 3 people.
Does she sleep with her mom and dad in the tent?
Yes, she sleeps with her mom and dad in the tent.
Who sleeps with her mom and dad in the tent?
Daisy sleeps with her mom and dad in the tent.
Where does she sleep with her mom and dad?
She sleeps with her mom and dad in the tent.
Do they sit around a campfire at night?
Yes, they sit around a campfire at night.
Who sits around a campfire at night?
Daisy and her family sit around a campfire at night.
What do they sit around at night?
They sit around a campfire at night.
Does the campfire keep them warm?
Yes, the campfire keeps them warm.
What keeps them warm?
The campfire keeps them warm.
Whom does the campfire keep warm?
The campfire keeps Daisy and her family warm.
Do they cook food in the campfire?
Yes, they cook food in the campfire.
Who cooks food in the campfire?
Daisy and her family cook food in the campfire.
What do they cook in the campfire?
They cook food in the campfire.
Point of view, yesterday. Listen and repeat. She went camping. She camped in the woods. She camped with her family. They set up a tent. It was a big tent. It slept 3 people. She slept with her mom and dad in the tent. They sat around a campfire at night. The campfire kept them warm. They cooked food in the campfire. Point of view, tomorrow. Listen and repeat. She will go camping. She will camp in the woods. She will camp with her family. They will set up a tent. It will be a big tent. It will sleep 3 people. She will sleep with her mom and dad in the tent. They will sit around a campfire at night. The campfire will keep them warm. They will cook food in the campfire. Vocabulary: camping, woods, family, tent, set up, sleep, campfire, warm, cook. Question of the day: do you like camping? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.